Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Explore the World. So in this video I am going to discuss an important topic that people are searching before traveling. Are you planning to visit a camping destination and are you thinking of what could make you camping checklist? So don't worry, in this video I am going to tell you what are the items needed for camping. So if you are new in my channel, so do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Let's get started. The camping essential list contains every important item you will need in your camping destination. First, that is tent. A tent is necessity in life. Even when you are not at home, it is like a shelter needful to find a place to rest your head and protect yourself. For a campsite, you will need a tent. Tents are in different sizes, but it is advisable to get one that can accommodate you and your family very well. Next, for sleep. For sleep, we need sleeping bags. These are crucial since it will get pretty chilly at night. You don't want to leave it behind. A sleeping mat or earbud or camp bed. Ensure you make provision for everyone as regards where to on what to sleep on. Since earbuds are affordable and comfortable, you may want to consider them. And pillows. You want to enjoy your sleep as much as you want to enjoy the exploration, so add a pillow to your essential list. For food we need camping stove with fuel, cooking pans and cutlery. Your meal is essential, so the items to prepare them must be put in a place. And water carrier. You need this to save yourself the stress of going to the side tap from time to time. For comfort we need camoing chairs. Get a comfy folding chair on which you can relax. Torch. You can live in darkness throughout the night. You need this for lightning. Besides, so you take extra batteries with you for your torch. Bin bags. This is to ensure that the site it is clean, and we need bin bags for making our areas clean. And clothing. Since you won't be spending few hours before rushing back home to your business, you may need to go with some clothing. It is advisable always to bring an extra set of clothes and shoes. For clothing, your camping gear list will include short and long sleeve shirt, pant and shorts, boot or shoes for hiking, sunglasses, warm jacket for evening, socks, hat, rain jackets, gloves and many more. Extra item you can add if you have space, it is optional. Tent footprint. This helps protect the tent underside. It's add an extra layer between the ground and the tent. Tent carpet. This is not compulsory, but for extra warmth and a spot of luxury you can go with it. Camping table. You may need this for your meals and card games. Electric hookup. This will help with a safe power connection in your pitch and has electric power. Camping toilet. Not everyone will want to go out at night at the campsite. Camping toilet will be of help in this situation, particularly for younger campers. Cupboard and storage. With this you can easily keep your tent clean and tidy. A windbreak. This can help create shelter and particularly privacy. Camping kitchen list. There are additional items apart from those mentioned above that you may want to take along with you. This may include charcoal for your barbecue, cleaning equipment, washing a bowl and scrubbers are very useful. Kettle, tableware, plates, bowls, etc. Tin opener, bottle opener, matches or lighter, portable coffee maker, wet wipes or cloths. Camping health and safety list. Your health is essential. You don't want to return from camp and end up in a hospital, so you may want to take the following with you. A travel or adventure medical first aid kit contains adhesive bandages and pain reliefs in a weatherproof bag. Personal medication plus extra just in case. Antibacterial hand wash, toilet roll, hand sanitizer, quick dry towel, toothpaste, toothbrush, biodegradable soap, body or face wipes, deodorant, bug spray, camp shower. It is always good to have a camping packing list to ensure that you don't forget anything before going. Try as much as possible to stick up your need for you not to complain or regret once you get there. You will enjoy your purpose of going if you make good preparation for traveling or for camping. So I think that you all get what I have explained in this video, and if you like anything in this video, so do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, with your family, relatives, or with anyone who are going to travel or who are going to camping. Till then, take care, stay safe, travel safe, camp safe. We'll meet you with the next video. Bye bye.